Hey guys, this is Tushar from Gossipfunda, and in this video we are going to see how to reset your Samsung tablet. Now there are several terms used for factory reset such as master reset or hard reset. This performs the basic function of cleaning your device along with all the user data. So we would recommend if you are selling your old device or handing it to someone else, then you should factory reset your device. Now let's see how to factory reset your Samsung tablet. The first step should be to wake up your device and tap on settings. Once the setting open, tap on general management and then tap on reset. Now there are different reset settings such as reset your settings, reset network settings or factory data reset. You need to choose factory data reset. Now give the confirmation and your device will be resetted. This was all today guys. Feel free to put any of your query in the comment section below. We will try our best to answer your queries. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. For more information check out our page.